In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contact from Google Contacts to HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow. Export your contacts from Google, tidy up the file, and import it into HubSpot with the right field mapping so everything lands in the right place. Start by exporting from Google Contacts. Open Google Contacts in your browser, make sure you're in the correct Google account, and look for the export option on the left-hand side. If you want all contacts, choose that. If you only want a subset, select those first. When prompted for the format, pick Google CSV. That format plays nicely with HubSpot. Click Export, and a CSV file will download to your computer. Before you upload anything, take a moment to clean the file. Open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet tool, and remove any duplicate rows. Make sure each contact you intend to import has an email address. HubSpot uses email as the unique identifier, so if two rows share the same email, HubSpot will update the existing contact rather than create a new one. Check that your first name, last name, and phone columns are clearly labeled and consistently filled. Standardize phone numbers, ideally including country codes, and avoid special characters that don't belong in phone fields. Keep a single header row, remove blank columns, and save the file as a CSV UTF-8 to preserve special characters. Now head to HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot CRM, then navigate to Contacts and choose Contacts from the submenu. Click Import, then Start Import to begin the guided process. When prompted, choose File from Computer. Select one file and then one object. Because we're bringing in only contacts right now, upload the CSV you just cleaned. Next, map your fields so HubSpot knows where each piece of data goes. Match email to email, first name to first name, last name to last name, and phone to phone number. If you have extra columns, map them to existing HubSpot properties or create a custom property if you need to retain that data. HubSpot will flag any unmapped columns, review those to avoid losing information unintentionally. Before finalizing, review the summary screen to confirm the number of rows looks right. Acknowledge that you have permission to store and communicate with these contacts in line with your policies and local regulations. When everything looks good, click Finish Import. That's it. Your Google contacts are now in HubSpot. Give the system a moment to process, then refresh your contacts view to see them. If anything appears off, check the import history for details and adjust your CSV or mappings for a quick re-import.